Today we will discuss a virus you probably haven't heard of, but it's been quietly spreading and it's raising questions. Is it worse than COVID? Should you be worried about your health or your loved ones? Let's dive into the truth about HMPV. A new virus outbreak in China over the weekend. More reports have come in. The virus has spread beyond China. It is not a new disease, it is not a new virus. The world is nervous as it feels like deja vu. This is exactly how it played out 5 years back. We were all putting on our masks. Experts and celebrities were teaching us how to wash our hands properly. Social distancing was life-saving strategy because a virus from Wuhan in China had spread across the globe and led to proper shutdown. And now China is dealing with another virus outbreak. What is HMPV? HMPV stands for Human Metapneumovirus, a respiratory virus first identified in 2001. So it's not a new kid on the block. It is the part of the same family as respiratory syncytial virus and can cause upper and lower respiratory disease. It primarily affects children, older adults, and people with weak immune systems, but anyone can catch it. Think of HMPV sneaky imposter. Its symptoms often mimic a common cold, but sometimes can be more severe. These can include runny nose, cough, fever, sore throat, wheezing, difficulty in breathing. In several cases, it can lead to pneumonia or bronchitis. Here's the big question. Is HMPV worse than COVID? The short answer is no. It's not as dangerous as the COVID, but experts are recommending the very same precautions as more cases are being reported from other parts of Asia, including Malaysia, Hong Kong, and India. COVID 19 has proven to be far more transmissible with a higher mortality rate globally. However, HMPV can still be dangerous for certain groups, especially those with pre existing conditions. It's important to note that unlike COVID, there's no vaccine or specific treatment for HMPV yet. HMPV is not a cause for panic, but it's a reminder that respiratory viruses are still a significant health concern. By staying informed and practicing good hygiene, you can reduce your risk. If you or a loved one experience severe symptoms, don't hesitate to contact a healthcare professional. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more updates, and share this video to spread awareness about HMPV.